In this video, we're going to check out the graphic card on the PUBG game and see how well it works with the iPhone 17 Pro device. So here I have the games already running, so we're just going to zoom in a little bit and have a look. Okay, so this is the graphic here. And it's running quite smooth. I've noticed it run really smooth in this game here. On the iPhone 17, there's no lagging. The device is not hot when playing the games. So here you can see I run really smooth. Let's get into this motorcycle and then we can try it. So here, so going forward and going to the left, right, turning. So if you got this iPhone 17, you should have no issues with playing game at all, especially this PUBG right here. It's running really smooth. You can see. So I'm just driving around this circle here. Okay, so I got off the motorcycle and running towards the house here. So let's see if we can get out of this window and follow this number one player. Really good performance on the 17 Pro. I've been playing for around 20 minutes already. The device is still nice and cool, not even hot at all. Yeah, I'm just gonna shoot down the tire. Right, running towards my teammate here. Going to find some loot here, see if there's anything. Okay, nothing, so yeah, so if you're going to get this iPhone 17 Pro and wanting to play PUBG, then you find it's really nice and smooth and you will enjoy it. And yeah, that's just a quick demo of the game playing on the iPhone 17 Pro. If you have any questions or comment and you want to try something out, just let me know. Thank you for watching.